Today I am reviewing the Ritter Sport Hazelnut Dark Chocolate. Now, this is basically a German chocolate, and I did a review on the hazelnut in milk chocolate, but today I'm doing this one right here, which is the dark chocolate. Now, if you checked out that review of the same brand, Ritter Sport, in milk chocolate with hazelnut, you would know that I said in that video that I don't like dark chocolate and I also don't like white chocolate. But, I just wanted to try out their dark chocolate today and see how it tastes. Now, one thing I've noticed when I compared the Ritter Sport brand and Cadbury together, their hazelnut, I noticed that Cadbury is sweeter in comparison to this Ritter Sport. Well, I should say the milk chocolate hazelnut chocolate bar. Cadbury is sweeter, and I would say the Ritter Sport chocolate, the milk chocolate, is not as sweet. So if you're a person you don't like things too sweet, you want it sweet but not too sweet, then you would probably like the Ritter Sport milk chocolate in hazelnut, okay? This one is 3.5 ounces, which is 100 grams. It has 180 calories and 14 carbs. It says it's dark chocolate with whole hazelnut ingredients, sugar, chocolate liquor, hazelnut, cocoa butter, butterfat milk, soy, may contain traces of peanuts, other tree nuts, wheat, and egg. So let's see how this tastes. Maybe I may actually like it. Never know, but I'll be real with you guys. I don't really like dark chocolate and white chocolate, but there was this Ferrero Rocher that someone let me try that was actually white chocolate from the Ferrero Rocher chocolate brand. And when I eat it, it's the one that's white chocolate inside and it has coconut on the outside. And when I eat it, someone gave it to me to try. I didn't know it was white chocolate, but I was surprised at how good that actually tastes. I was shocked. And when she told me that it was actually white chocolate, I was like, white chocolate? Yeah, because I usually hate white chocolate. So, today I want to see how this dark chocolate tastes. Maybe I might have the same reaction to this. I don't know, but we'll see. So, this is how it looks. It's already starting to melt. This is a German chocolate. This is how it looks on the inside. It smells so good. The minute I opened it, I could smell it. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's already melting. There you see, it has the hazelnut all through it. So I'm gonna take a bite. Dark chocolate. Not too bad, Wow. Is it maybe because it has the hazelnut in it? Because with dark chocolate, the ones I've tasted, it's so harsh. I actually like it. Like, based on dark chocolates I've tried in the past, this one doesn't taste as harsh. Pretty good. This is the first time I've ever tried a dark chocolate product where it didn't taste bad. This is really good. Look at it. They say dark chocolate have better benefits, and it's good for the heart as opposed to the milk chocolate. I'm really impressed. I'm not gonna lie. Really good. Almost there. Actually really good. I have, when it comes to chocolate, I have to eat chocolate. I can't just eat chocolate plain. It has to have nuts in it. Oh, you know, it tastes good on strawberries too. I got some people buy plain chocolate. I'm not one of those people. I love chocolate, but this is really good. Okay, Ritter Sport. Okay. Really good. Don't want to break my braces. Bracket. I know with dark chocolates I've tried in the past, the minute I put that in my mouth, you will see my face skinning up like, I probably wouldn't, if this tastes bad, I probably wouldn't finish it. But this actually tastes good. So the last one. Pretty good. We're going. Now, is this dark chocolate better than their milk chocolate? No. I just really like milk chocolate because it's creamy. But no, I still prefer milk chocolate over dark chocolate. But I have to say that I really enjoyed actually eating this chocolate. Like usually basically all the dark chocolates I've tried in the past tasted like crap. So, you know, this is the first time I've tasted something like this in dark chocolate where I enjoyed it. So I will give this product 5 out of 5. I really enjoyed this. And so if you're interested in purchasing some Ritter Sport dark chocolate, check out the link down in the description box. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye!